have of your time. I have an assessment to introduce you. Before I introduce myself, my name is Muhammad Mansha. I am 11th grade student at TLBD Christian School in Malang. Here are the questions. What is your name?
My name is Cam.
What is your
My
name?
name is Lucy.
Where are you from?
We're from Glenda.
Oh, what brought your Malang? What's your favorite food in Malang?
Oh, good question. Good. I like the nasi goreng.
Oh, nasi goreng.
Ya, ya nasi goreng. Box.
What do you think of Malang?
I think it's nice. Yes. What do you think, man? Yes, you like Malang?
Yes, I like. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you.
Your English is very good.
Wait.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Sama-sama.
Thank you.